I'm going to show you how to make this delicious steak fish. Any kind of fish that you like. I'm telling you guys, it is delicious. Okay, we're going to season our wonderful steak fish, little black pepper. But now, we're going to add our wonderful sesame oil, coat it nicely. Yes, coat it nicely. All right, let's add our garlic in there. Spread it nicely. Wonderful. Fresh ginger. Wonderful. Just put that in there nicely. Now we're going to cover it with these fresh, wonderful diced tomatoes. Just cover it all over. Wonderful. Green scallions. Just cover it all over. Yes, look at that. You got that green and red there. Cover it all over. Then we want to add our white vinegar. Just cover that nicely. All right, we just want to spread it out. We want to get to that fish, expose that fish a little bit. Now we want to hit it nicely with the soy sauce right in the fish. Absolutely, look at that. All right, we're going to cover this nicely. All right, guys, look at this. Wow, 20 minutes. Look what 20 minutes can do. This is delicious. You can do this with any fish. Look at this. Simple and quick and delicious as well as healthy. All right, let's serve it up. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Those of you that are first to my channel, please like and subscribe for more delicious, healthy, quick videos like this. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.